What if a simple fruit you enjoy could quietly help shrink your enlarged prostate and give you relief you never thought possible? Just one fruit can help shrink an enlarged prostate. Welcome to Health 490, where your well-being is our top priority. Today, we're exploring a vital yet often overlooked topic: managing an enlarged prostate with the help of nature's bounty. Before we reveal 6 life-changing fruits, let's first mention fruit number 1, a real game-changer for prostate health, which we'll examine closely at the end of our list. This isn't just another addition to your diet, it's a true powerhouse for prostate care, and you won't want to miss it. An enlarged prostate, or benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, affects millions of men worldwide, especially those over the age of 50. It can cause frequent urination, weak urine flow, difficulty starting or stopping, and even restless nights due to repeated trips to the bathroom. While medical treatments are available, they can be costly, have side effects, and sometimes only provide temporary relief. Nature, however, offers powerful alternatives: nutrient-packed fruits that can help reduce inflammation, improve urinary function, and promote overall prostate health. Let's look at 7 of the most effective ones. Fruit. 7. Avocado. The avocado is more than just a creamy, delicious addition to your meal. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in monounsaturated fats, it supports heart health, balances hormones, and reduces inflammation, a major contributor to BPH. It also contains beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol known to improve urinary symptoms like reduced frequency of nighttime bathroom visits and better urine flow. Avocados are also a good source of vitamin E, which protects cells from oxidative damage, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports urinary tract health. Adding avocado to your diet is simple. Slice it into salads, mash it on whole grain toast, blend it into smoothies, or make guacamole for a healthy snack. Fruit 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the richest sources of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been studied for its potential to slow prostate cell growth, lower inflammation, and even reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Lycopene is more bioavailable when tomatoes are cooked, so dishes like tomato soup, pasta sauce, and roasted tomatoes are excellent for maximizing benefits. Along with lycopene, tomatoes provide vitamin C to boost immune function and potassium to support cardiovascular health. They're versatile. Enjoy them fresh in salads, blended into soups, or cooked in healthy sauces. Fruit 5. Watermelon. Watermelon is not only refreshing, but also deeply hydrating, which is important for urinary health. It contains high levels of lycopene, supporting prostate protection, and citrulline, an amino acid that improves blood flow and overall circulation. Its high water content helps flush out toxins and maintain kidney function, while vitamins A, B6, and C support tissue repair, nerve function, and immune health. You can enjoy watermelon on its own, blend it into a cooling smoothie, or make a mint-infused juice for extra refreshment. Fruit 4. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are small but rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. They reduce oxidative stress, fight inflammation, and contain flavonoids and quercetin, which have anti-cancer properties. The fiber in berries supports digestion and gut health, indirectly benefiting prostate health by reducing overall inflammation in the body. Add them to your breakfast cereal or oatmeal, mix them with yogurt, toss them into salads, or enjoy them as a naturally sweet snack. Fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes are bursting with vitamin C, which neutralizes harmful free radicals and helps reduce tissue inflammation. These fruits also contain flavonoids that support urinary tract health and potassium that helps maintain fluid balance and muscle function. Eating citrus regularly may lower the risk of prostate enlargement while also boosting energy and overall immune resilience. You can eat them fresh, drink freshly squeezed juice, add slices to salads, or use their zest in cooking for added flavor and nutrition. Fruit 2. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is visually striking and nutritionally powerful. Rich in punicolagens and elagitannins, it offers strong anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Research suggests that pomegranate juice can slow the rise of PSA levels, a key marker for prostate health. It also provides vitamin K for bone and blood health, and potassium to support heart and kidney function. Drink it as pure juice without added sugar, sprinkle the seeds on salads, mix them into yogurt, or simply eat them fresh for a burst of flavor and antioxidants. Fruit. 1. Papaya. Papaya earns the #1 spot for its impressive combination of nutrients and enzymes. It contains papain, which aids digestion and reduces inflammation, making it ideal for managing BPH symptoms. Alongside papain, papaya offers beta-carotene, vitamin C, and lycopene, giving it a triple antioxidant effect that helps protect and repair prostate tissue. Eating papaya regularly can help maintain urinary comfort, reduce swelling, and improve overall prostate function. Enjoy it fresh, in smoothies, or paired with a squeeze of lime for a tangy twist. Thank you for joining us on Health 490. We've explored 7 of nature's most effective fruits for prostate care, each offering unique benefits backed by science. By making these fruits part of your daily routine, you can naturally support your prostate, improve urinary comfort, and boost your overall well-being. For those looking for an extra edge, our recommended saw palmetto supplement on Amazon is a natural aid for prostate and urinary health. Stay healthy, stay informed, and embrace the power of nature on your journey to wellness.